Solo trip to the cabin this week. Headed over there now. I got a few hour drive. We're in the Tesla, so that means I'm gonna have to stop for a charge because I didn't fill it before I left. I wasn't thinking. So we're gonna stop down in La Crosse, Wisconsin, hit up the Home Depot for a few supplies. Not really a bad thing. The dash says we're gonna have to charge for 7 minutes in order to make it. So of course it's not a huge inconvenience, just 7 minutes isn't so bad, but it'll be nice to get some supplies at the Home Depot. One of my favorite things about driving a Tesla is going to the spots to charge. You have to back into all the spaces. Trying to watch the average person back into a parking space, some of the funniest things you've ever seen. Superchargers right here, and there's the Home Depot. Doesn't get a whole lot more convenient than that. I'm in search of a tool belt. The tool belt doesn't have to be super big, but it does need to have, you know, a few compartments. So many of them at these big box stores have like 30 different compartments, and they're massive, and they have, you know, suspenders and whatnot. I don't need all that, so we'll see what we can find. And naturally, I forgot my wallet in the car. Heading back. The second half of the trip isn't all interstate, so it's kind of pleasant. There's plenty of things to see. Of course, once you get out of La Crosse, Wisconsin area, it gets pretty flat. But of course, it is indeed better than sitting on the interstate. We have arrived just in time. We still got all these logs here. Those didn't get picked up yet. Picked up a new job site grill the other day. That's kind of nice. We're gonna throw the brats on it for the first time. And the reason the job site grill is so important is, well, let me show you what the kitchen looks like. All right, and here it is, the humble abode. This is where the majority of the time is spent, our little makeshift kitchen. Of course, the priorities, we got the espresso machine, a chef mic, a flat top, and just back here is where we're going to be working. And we got to put this in, the faucet for the shower. And if you've watched my channel or any of my channels for more than like 3.5 minutes, you know that we're not going to be doing any of this with copper. And in that case, we prep the faucet before we even start running any of the pipes. We have the threaded 2 PEX adapter 90s that are going to go on the water supply. And see, when I'm plumbing, I don't play games. I screw this bad boy right to the floor, so we got a real good base so we can really tighten her down. We don't play with water leaks. So that's up, so we want these to go down. There we go. Get that snuggie. That feel good? Tighten this down while we have him. So obviously the one that going up, the one I'm doing right now, is for the shower spout. The one down here will go to the tub spout. There we go. Yeah, of course it would be nice to have a nice workbench in here with a big vise on it, or in the back of the truck. Well, it's not how it always works. This works just fine. A little harder on the knees. I got a foam pad here. If I was smart, I would have grabbed it, but the kids probably took off with it. It's probably outside, buried in the snow somewhere. The next question is going to be, where do we put the shower head? You will never regret putting it higher, but you will regret putting it lower. This is where it was. The original 1973 had it here, and then it comes out and it points down. Don't forget that. The drop on that shower head arm is going to drop it down. That would have hit like my chest. That's incredibly frustrating. Put the thing up there. And don't forget to center it. You want to use this and your drain as a reference. We're going to put the faucet centered, but also make sure you put the shower head nice and center of everything. You can see we got shark bite caps on there, so it is time to shut the water off. Head down to the creepy basement. Kill it, drain it. On second thought, it's already 11:30. I think I'll probably turn the water back on and go to bed. Part 2 tomorrow. We're going to install the faucet. Make sure you subscribe.